Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play Bad Blood on piano, only way. Start by learning the chord progression and melody slowly, practicing hands separately, and using a metronome to lock in timing. Build the left hand groove first, then add the vocal-like right hand melody in short loops. Emphasize dynamics in the chorus and keep verses steady, aiming for musical phrasing rather than speed. Start with the basic chord progression and loop it at a comfortable tempo while using a metronome to build consistency. Practice smooth voice leading and clear tone, choosing efficient fingering like 1-3-5 where helpful. Isolate the hardest measures, repeat them in short bursts, and gradually increase speed while maintaining accuracy and musical phrasing. Add subtle dynamics and light sustain in the chorus to enhance emotional impact. Subscribe and like if you're finding this video helpful, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for reliable socks with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable during long practice sessions and help keep feet happy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider trying a pair to make practice more comfortable. Thanks for the support, everyone. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on the vocal-like melody and imagine singing as you play to shape phrasing and breathe points naturally. Add octave doubling sparingly to emphasize key moments and play fills between vocal lines with a light touch to avoid clutter. Record practice sessions, listen for balance between hands, and practice with a backing track to lock in the groove while adjusting dynamics, timing, and articulation for emotional clarity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.